Hey guys, Chad Davis here, St.Albert Dodge. We have a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude Edition, white in color. It's a 3.6 VVT Pentastar motor. A lot of people ask what this is down here. This is for your adaptive cruise control and also your forward collision warning. You have 22-inch wheels, bright white in color, blacked out badging. When you come around to the back, you have power tailgate you can do from the remote. Push that button twice, it'll pop up. You also have rear sensors here for warnings. You have a cargo mat in the back. It comes equipped with mats inside as well too, all weather mats. You have a privacy curtain and lots of room back here to store stuff, guys. Come around to the interior and I'll show you guys some more stuff. Hello everybody, welcome back. Chad Davis here. Just want to show you a few key options of the interior of this 2021 Altitude. We have power windows, power locks, you have your menu buttons here, you have cruise control, you have a Bluetooth right on the steering wheel, you have park sensors, and then you have also lane departure. Start and stop function, which you can turn off by pushing this button or keep it on if you like to. If you look down here, you have select track four-wheel drive. You can also put it into four low, and this is hill descent. So when you're traveling through BC or something like where it's really hilly, you have that button on and it won't rev your engine up and down. It'll stay at a good RPM and it's saving you gas mileage. So if you come into here, you have heated seats, heated wheel, you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you have your everything in your display here. Lots of options, guys. Come in, check it out. Chad Davis, St.Albert Dodge, 780-458-8660. Thank you.